Yes, 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 yes. So for the last while, I've been trying to get my bobber up onto a paddock stand, and it's just not been possible. I'll give you a demonstration of that in a second. I've got the proper bobbins at the side, nice ones that stick out here, and they are fine. And the paddock stand I've got has got the correct kind of bits that go in and out. However, for some reason, no matter how much leverage I put on it, cannot lift the bike up. So I get it into its position. I've got it so it's on a little bit of a plank of wood here, and it's all good, but I just cannot lift it up. And it may be because I'm using literally a paddock stand which I just found at the back of a warehouse one day. So I've bought myself a new paddock stand which we'll test out, but this is one, and I'll just show you why this one doesn't work. So if I get this into position, clicked in, now if I go full weight, it's not lifting the bike up. Bike is not. Did we see me going completely? No matter how I cannot get it up. I can't get it up. So I think maybe it just doesn't have enough leverage, or maybe it's too high up or something. But hopefully I'm going to try a new paddock stand. Okay, so hopefully this will be suitable, because this is one which I've seen Stuart Fillingham use to lift up his bike. Heavy duty premium paddock stand. So I'm going to mix this up and see, one, how it's different from this, and two, if it actually lifts up the bike. So, okay, that's it. I haven't taken the bubble wrap off just in case I need to send it back. In terms of it, so the wheels are loose, I guess. Yeah, they're meant to be loose like that, I guess. No way to tighten them up that I can see. So it feels a wee bit shaky, but kind of solid, I guess. Just apart from the wheels, I suppose. Okay, now let's get it into position. Let's see. Well, actually, before we do that, let's see if we can see the difference between that and the other one. So, in terms of height-wise, it's a little bit taller. And in terms of, let's see if there's any difference in the height of the actual. Yes, the actual bits that go into the wheel are definitely lower. So that should be a significant difference. Okay. Whew, okay, a little bit nervous. Let's get the bike up on its stand a little bit more. Yeah, so, okay, let's give it a go. 3, 2, 1. Yes, 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 yes. Getting it, getting it. Oh, a little bit nervous. Oh, result! Absolutely did it all by myself. It's very nerve-wracking, very scary, but woohoo! Yeah, something I could not do with that. Obviously, just this being a couple of millimeters lower. Perfect. Well done. Okay, Oxford paddock stand premium. Also, just feels nice and solid. Worked a treat. Oh, that was nerve-wracking. Oh, actually, should I do the lowering down test? See if I can actually lower it down. Okay, part 2. But yeah, the whole point of this is then to be able to, although I've just put it into gear. So the whole point of this is really to be able to do like chain maintenance, tyre maintenance, maybe just keep it off the ground, maybe get under the bike, easier to give it some cleans. But yeah, now I've got a free-flowing wheel there. That makes things a lot easier. Okay, and then we'll try the test of lowering it down. I'll take away the skateboard. Let's see what can go wrong here. But effectively, should have held it there. But yeah, like total control over the bike there. Got the balance. Don't want it to fall on my toe. Bringing it down very gently, easy peasy, single-handed. As it comes down, a bit more of a. Yeah, hey! Result! Yeah! Whew! And just one last test. Getting it up off the ground, even without a little pull at the side. Probably a bit of a no, unless you can. No, you always need to put it on a brick or a piece of wood at the side to get a balance. But woohoo! Result, happy days. Okay, end of video. Result, happy.